Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today I would like to show you the updates for 5 altcoins for next 3 months and maybe by end of this year. It's a ZRO, Layer 0, Render, Matic, Polygon POL, VeChain, VAT, and Zora. Let's dive in. All right, guys, with my customer set, I would like to show you the zones where I think more than okay will be to buy back these tokens. Even now, some of this token in a good condition to buy, like for example, ZRO. You remember we use the same model, and the best case, guys, if in September by end of this month we will drop again inside the best zone to buy. It's $1.52, $1.34. I don't think so we will drop, but everything is possible. Now we're not so far from that low. I don't like we leave the AQ lows watermark here, so 20% down. Of course, it's not like one crash, like a rock in the water. No, of course not. I think it can be slowly but surely rolled down to test the buy line. Buy line now on a daily, it's $1.32. I'm not sure about exactly test the buy line on the daily, but 34, 35 is more than real to see. It's a daily time frame buy line, the 12 time frame buy line. So around this block will be just the good zone to buy. Is it possible so this token can repeat the story of Aevo? As you can see, the Starknet, yes, of course, guys. Everything just impossible in crypto, and yes, we can drop under 1.0. I don't think so we will, but just in case. So just keep in mind that scenario. So even the layer 0 can dump to 0. All right, bullish targets, guys. If September will go higher, you know, it's take profits 262 and the exit line 296. Lines are dynamic, and I can't say something bullish now happen on a chart for layer 0. We got actual lows, this one, and 2 signals to buy. Now only recommendation close position, and this is not a signal to buy. The best case, like I told you before, of course, it's a sweep of this low and test just with a week like a range. I don't know, $1.43, $1.50, for example, but I don't think so. They will stop the token at the round number. But just in case, $1.52, $1.34, it's more than okay to buy. Fixation of the profit is this block, based on this model, 387 for 8 monthly gap. Fulfill, most likely we're going to hit around $5. And yes, I believe the layer 0 can hit the new all-time high. So just invest only that money what you can afford to lose. But yes, it's potential. I don't know. It's hard to say where this token can stop because it's open space. So let's imagine that like a magnet, $10, 400s from now, 4x. It's more than good. It's more than good gains, guys. Trust me. So based on other indicators, it's ADZ direction, market mood, and the money power. So we're in accumulation on a weekly. It's good. It's bullish. So just wait the next few weeks before the Fed decision, you know. And of course, it will be just a shock for the market if they will just take a pause. Once again, not start cut rates and just a pause, or just take a pause. It's going to be just a mind blowing. All of these crypto gurus, once again, who bet every single time before the Fed rates, they bet on the poly market, some forecasts on investing website, 90%. Now everybody waiting that Fed will cut the rate this time, until the next one. That's why, guys, don't build your plan of investment or the trades just because of some expectation of some events or something, you know. So just follow your plan. Depends of your financial statement now in your life. You know, if you need the money now, forget about the crypto. Just use that money for your family, for your lifestyle. You know, for your maybe business, because maybe we will trade in a range 1 year more. Who knows? Who could predict? So we could trade since March 2025 till now in like I don't know, range, if we not count that week, like 290 and $1.50. Who could predict? So if you're not ready, you know, to put the money in and wait, like froze that money without a profit or even with some temporary losses, just not invest in it. Because a lot of people now, you know, share the altcoin season. It's like a meme now because everybody talk about altcoin season since 2022. But this is this cycle is totally different, guys. So ADZ, we're in accumulation. Yes, if you're ready to wait, I don't know, 3 months, 5 months, half year, a year, with investments, right? So you invest the money and you don't care about the timing. It's okay. We can't know also if the zero is a scam story or not. I hope not, but who knows? Who knows? Direction. Soon we will see. I wish to see the drop and one more accumulation like it was here. So the last time from based on direction indicator, we bounced like 50%. Second leverage 50%, 100% profit. You withdraw initial deposit, stop loss at the break even, right to the new highs. A market mood is this disbelief zone. No money inflow yet on a daily. No money inflow, and never seen the money inflow on the money power on the weekly. I wish to see some. And this is a capitulation on the weekly. It's good. It's good. So technically, I believe the layer zero will hit the new all-time high, but I don't know when. This is an example of what I showed about render. So if you believe in another leg up for AI sector, you know, $20, it's the top of the top for this token, I guess. So this is it. It's around like from the bottom will be 7,000% gains. Render, by the way, already performed, guys, more than 4x. That's why we just, I explained it, we sometimes, you and me maybe, choose the wrong tokens. A lot of altcoins already perform a pretty good one. A lot of. And many tokens already made like, even the Just Me, over than 2,000% gains. So 20x, nice one, nice one. But we stuck in some tokens which maybe will never pop it again. So the new all-time high possible, yes, it's 300% from now, around like this one. So if we just sweep the high of March 2024, I don't see any hype about AI now sector now. For render the fundamental value of this token on the weekly, it's $2.96. Definitely we're gonna test the take profit at $7.87. This one, but it can be the long chop. I don't think so, and I don't believe now in a drop to this story again. You know, to drop to 27 block. No, I don't think so. Maybe in the next bear market, yes, maybe we'll drop to 53 cents again if the AI bubble will burst, but I don't think so now. So conservative one, guys, is just a consolidation. You know, at test $2.95 will be the good entry, you know, for the render. And the daily, if we check here, 244, it's a buy line on the daily. Sell, no buybacks. 12 10 frame, I think maybe a little bit better is here. 255. Maybe lines are dynamic, and I don't like the lines start curve down. So this is what I don't like. So global targets, guys, I showed you for render. Local one, I'm better wait. I'm not rush. You know, I'm better wait for the test of the buy line. I'm gonna add even the alerts. If to choose between the render, for example, and fetch AI, I could choose probably the render. Buy line on the daily. I want to track the alerts. Once again, I don't think so. We're gonna drop to $1.80, but it's possible to test the zero level. We will see. We'll see. Other indicators: ADZ, direction, market, money power. Guys, take a look. ADZ I can show you because it's a crypto ticker. It's not from some exchange. Let's go to the weekly. Weekly is more important. So what do we got here? Finally, we start to see the same signals like it being on direction indicator here. September 2022, December and January 2023. This one. So pretty same story. So I think we'll see another leg up one more time. Here's a disbelief. The last time we traded in a disbelief in January 2023. So I'm not counting this one, January 2025. Here, disbelief pump. 4,000% gains. So I don't think so. We're going to pump from now 4,000% gains. No. But it's possible to see at least some bounces. So money power, no money inflow. The last money inflow been here in August 2024 and August 2023. This August without money inflow. That's kind of bad. That's why, guys, like a conclusion for the render, I think we just trade in the chop consolidation. Even that drop to 255 will be amazing, even a little bit lower to sweep all of this liquidity pool, because here, this is someone's stop losses. So that's it, guys. So targets, I showed you higher. I think, yes, it's possible to see the all-time high, but it's only 300% from now. So for render, the picture looks like this. For Matic, guys, I showed you its potential for Matic from 18 level by FIB. It could be around like 800. It's 2.28. Some people complain about Matic. Oh, why it's dumping? Why someone, the owner or co-founder, dump the bags? Guys, it's just pure speculation. Don't believe in all of that roadmaps and all of that stuff what they promise you. The main interest for them to create some chain, some project, or something, some startup, to make money at the end. So if you create a token and if you distribute the bags between the 100 wallets, nobody know, because nobody can track it. Why you cannot press sell? So it's the same story like people complain, oh, Binance sell the BTC. Because the BTC at 118K or 115K. What I have to do? Hold till million? It's stories for the plebs, for the idiots. If they can, buy, sell, generate the revenue, the profit, and buy more next time. So capitulation for the Matic, I guess it's 13. This one, 13 and 11 cents. I'm not sure we're going to drop that low, but would be good. Would be good to see that low zones. If we talk about the first trouble area for the Matic, it can be here, 38. It's a full fill of a monthly gap. So the next step is liquidity pool, 76 cents, and maybe here $1.68 is going to be the 50% range of this FIB, and 228. 228 maybe will be the end of cycle for this token, because I'm not sure about a new all-time high for this one. Last cycle, everybody also screamed we're going to the moon, to $10, to $5, to $70, and all of this random stuff. But guys, be realistic one. So now, based on indicators, here's a sell, here's buybacks. No signal to buy yet, main one. And take profits. We trade on the fundamental value. It's a good one. We traded last week. But on a daily, we trade around take profit. This is what I don't like. So, yes. Now we can see, of course, the spike to 38 cents. But after that, anyway, we're going to drop to the buy line. Buy line now, it's 14.71. I'm not sure we're going to drop now, but we'll be good. 12 time frame also 15.82. Take profit line on a 12 time frame 31.55, exit line 35.59. A weekly time frame anyway, so believe it or not, but we're gonna test it. So it's 64.68. So this is that take profit line on a weekly time frame. On a monthly, I guess there is no data yet. So monthly for me personally looks bullish. At the best case, of course, if we crash it down to 15 cents, will be more attractive. But I think nothing bad was POL. So targets relevant. Targets relevant, guys. Take a look with market, money power, market move direction. ADZ I can show you because it's also not from exchange. So main money inflow in the POL been here in September 24, October 24 at 30 cents, 26 cents. So I would be not surprised, if the average entry like 25, so 18 level by FIB, and they push the price to 50 cents, and we will see some seller pressure again to drop it test 25, but they will out and withdraw initial deposit. So with zero risk, they can push the price higher to $1 and higher. So this is a capitulation since February 25 on the monthly. It's good one. It's totally a good one. A weekly time frame. Now let's close the take profit indicator here. What I don't like, this is money outflow. So the last time on the weekly, the last time when we saw the money outflow on the weekly, it'd been here in December 24 at 70 cents. Now it's kind of weird because the same money outflow, and we traded 28. Polygon Matic prediction, proposed to place government budget on blockchain. Nothing special by news, some major news, So locally, guys, locally be ready to see the spike to this block. So it's more than okay to see this bounce. 35, 42. And after that, I think we can see the correction. If we'll see the 50 cents with weak candle, you can be sure that, guys, just withdraw initial deposit. Daily time frame, let's double check on here. Kind of bearish one. Nothing special happened on Matic, but why so bearish? Take a look. We just trade in the range. 2 MACD bearish. They weren't see totally free on the market and daily time frame, and we just barely pump it. Take a look. 73%. Weird, and no signal for accumulation based on a direction indicator. That's why be careful with Matic, but targets I think relevant. I better wait and. Just track 14-15 cents would be good. If not, I'm okay. So VeChain, I marked the time 15th September, so I waited that date before the Fed decision rate. So yes, I'm waiting something like this one. I don't think so the VeChain will drop and sweep the equal lows to 1 cent 72, but it's possible. The capitulation in the next bear market, I guess VeChain will be under 1 cent, unfortunately, guys. And weekly is just a chop since basically March 25. Over than 170 days, we just in a chop. So yes, of course, the VeChain build some potential zone for the breakout, the massive breakout. Even with this downtrend line here, we should pump to 5 cents, retest, and go higher. So the take is 16 and 19. This is can be the top of the top for the VeChain. For this cycle, based on trade on indicator here, buy, sell, buybacks, no main signal to buy. Again, take a look the ADZ direction markets mood. This is a middle line on a daily, so I can't say it's something extra bullish. Direction, no signal for accumulation like it was here last time in June, and disbelief on the daily, weekly. Disbelief, it's good. Bullish signals on the market mode. Direction, no signal for accumulation. ADZ in the middle, so neutral. Monthly, it's a disbelief, so it's good, guys. I think the VeChain will perform again. So from 2 cents to 20 cents, it's I think possible. People hate the VeChain, but I think just like speculation 1930, I think possible to see. The money power take profit, guys. No money inflow, but it's good. No money outflow on the monthly, weekly. Money outflow being November 24. Now nothing. So nothing bad. Bullish RSI that we're in see. MACD bullish that we're in see. So would be good to test the buy line on the weekly. It's 2 cents 10. Take profit on the weekly. It's 4 cents 14. Daily. Buy line, it's 1 cent 58. So yes, if we will drop, it's going to be the last shakeout before the uptrend. It's a sweep of these equal lows, drop to 1 cent 59. Now no signal for money inflow. 12 time frame a little bit higher, 1669. So at buy line on the VeChain on 12 time frame, I wish to see. So this is it on 12 and from yes, step by step, some money inflow. So guys, targets I showed you for the VeChain, a local one where I would like to buy on futures position and the spot, The last token, guys, it's a Zora. Congrats everybody. I won't believe so the Zora will perform like this one, but congrats everybody who hop in and fix a profit, because it's so important to have the balls, to press sell, because a lot of people became the diamond hands, and after that they lose the money, they stuck in tokens. That's why, guys, if you invest in the right zone based on orientation accumulation pump model, because the zone's still relevant, still relevant. We bounced at like 1,800% gains. I have no idea why, but yes, once almost 20x. Imagine 18x you could fix. So nice one. So now we see the signal to sell. The zone for corrections, guys, we leave the huge, just literally huge weekly gap. Let's mark it like a weekly gap, weekly fair value gap, this one. And here, It's a test of 61 low by fib, 3 cents above. It would be good. Now it's 7 cents, 72. Can we stop it here and go higher to new all-time high? Yes, of course, guys. Of course, but just in case later, we will go and test it again. The crazy dumps, but I don't think so. We're going to drop that low. It's on a bit get 0.2043, 0.2029. I don't think so. We will drop to that zone, but we already tested the okay zone to buy. We're not so far from that weekly gap. So if we zoom in, what we can see here from now, it's like 31% down. Most likely we're going to sweep these lows, and even 59%, it's a test above 61 low by fib. So just in case, guys, I don't want to scare you, but just in case, no bullish signals yet on a daily. So weekly time frame, like a magnet, 61 low by fib test above like a magnet. A trade on, no signal now to buy ADZ direction market mood here. This is here. This was a top with the pure divergence. Take a look how the divergence looks like on ADZ. Bum and bum. 1, 2, 3. 3 tops and pure divergence on the daily. Daily is so important, guys. It's not a 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame or local trades. No. Now nothing bullish. Also nothing bullish. We're just in the middle. To be bullish, we need to see something like this divergence on a daily or a 12 time frame. Direction, no signal for accumulation. Nothing. Take a look the market smooth. This was a capitulation. Accumulation zone is good. Time to buy. Now it's just still trill zone. 12-hour time frame, yes, a little bit better, but of course, trill is for local trades here. I wish to see the drop under this level, at least under 5 cents. Some people will start draw, you know, it's going to be also the mistake, like 1, 2. After that, the bounce. Maybe this is already a right shoulder and going down straight to the starting point. I don't think so. We will form the head and shoulder. Other people I saw, they draw the trend lines like this one. We break, it's a fake out. They redraw it. It's a fake out. Now they start to draw like this one. When we drop it again under 5 cents, they will say it again. It's a fake out. So guys, just be careful with Zora. Money power, guys, I guess there is no money inflow. Yes, only the money outflow on 12 time frame. Daily money in being here at 710, 72. Nice one. And I wish to see more money inflow. Weekly time frame, only the money outflow, guys. It's kind of bad. 1-2 weeks in a row, the whales fix a profit, and it's okay. It's logical. So how do they make money? They buy low, sell high. So that's the point, not vice versa. So guys, I hope you like this video. Zones for all tokens I showed you. If you'd like to trade as my customer, because I will show it on this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.